Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's May already, so it's time for a new theme. I'm sorry, I know I'm quite late with uploading this video. I guess I started too late with filming and stuff. So yeah, I'll try to avoid doing this again next month. Yeah, for this month I decided to go for an ocean theme. I love the ocean and the beautiful and fascinating creatures it has. And this month I'm going to challenge myself also by using more subtle and softer tones, because until now I have only used very bright colors and I want to try something different this month. And I don't think I'm going to use a specific set of colors like previous month, so I'll just use colors that I like along the way. As you can see, I'm making a watercolor cover. This drawing is actually a recreation of an image I saw on Pinterest, and I'll put the link to it in the description. I'm using the Crayola Supertips in combination with a waterbrush. I first apply the lighter colors, and then I do the shading and the darker colors on top. For the wheel, I'm actually only using one marker. It's actually very simple, you just add more water to create a lighter color. And this is how my cover for May turned out. Next, I have my monthly planner. I went for a more minimalistic layout this time with another watercolor drawing. I thought it would be cool to make a watercolor of the sea. First I applied the watercolor, and then I went over with the Prismacolor coloring pencils on some areas to add more detail. for writing out the numbers and the days, I'm just using a regular ink pen with no specific brand. On the next spread I have my mood tracker and habit tracker. I first started on the habit tracker because I wasn't in the mood to start on the mood tracker, I guess. And yeah, I realized I haven't really benefited from my habit trackers in the past. Even if I was working on my habits, I often forgot to fill in the trackers. So this time I decided to only incorporate the habits that are really important to me. So that's why you only see 3 trackers on this spread. For the mood tracker, I also decided to go for a more minimalistic and classier design. I added a cute drawing of an anchor in the center. Also here I used the watercolors to create a softer and dreamier effect. Then we have my sleep tracker. I was getting kind of bored of the old layout, so I switched to a graph style this time. I'll have to see how this works out for me this month. It's very easy and simple, no colors, but I think it looks very nice. And I think I'm getting more in love with minimalism. Less is more, right? On the next page I have my expense tracker. To make the page not too bland, I colored the title with a blue Crayola marker. Lastly, I have my first weekly spread. I'm making a cute simple drawing of a lighthouse on the middle of the spread. Here I'm also using watercolors in combination with Prismacolor pencils to create a soft effect. And this is how my weekly spreads turned out. This is my final flip through. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video and hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this from me. If you want to stay updated on my spreads, be sure to follow my Instagram page. I put the link in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.